Hello everyone, we're here at the Hard Rock Summit here in Denver at Allen's Quality Minerals. Today we're going to shoot two very fine specimens of fluorites. These come from two different lines. Now what's quite unique about these two pieces is that these colors are quite uncommon, and especially with these specimens, they're quite intact and also they have a very unique color. Today we're going to shoot them inside the GemLightbox Pro. So the GemLightbox is the world's first smartphone jewelry gemstone and mineral lightbox, and it's designed to capture true color images and videos on a white background. So to start, we'll start off with this specimen over here. And today we're going to shoot a full rotation on this beautiful specimen. You can see all the browns come out on the crystals. And just like that, we have a beautiful 360 video of the product, as well as the 4 still shots, all in one click. This was done in 15 seconds. So let's go with the second specimen. So now we're going to shoot this separate second specimen. This one over here has very nice deep blue shades of blue and also brown. It's truly multicolor. You can see the blues really come out inside of the machine. We have shades of deep blue on the bottom as well.